guys, welcome back to my channel. So just yesterday I received my glamego box and I am very excited to show you guys what I received in this month's glamego box. This is what June 2019 glamego box looks like. It comes in a box which has got magnetic closure. As you all know, glamego is India's #1 beauty subscription box. This box retails for 399 rupees if you're buying one time, but if you're buying for longer period of time like 6 months or 1 year, you'll be getting it for 299 rupees each month. Best part about glamego is that you get to try various skincare, hair care and makeup products from different brands each month, and all of these brands are premium brands. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So the first product here I see is this sunscreen. This is Organic Harvest sunscreen for all skin types, and it comes with SPF 60. Now today I have used this product and I really liked it. So this product is both for indoor as well as outdoor, and it is paraben free, mineral oils and animal ingredients free of those things. And it also has got blue light technology. That means if you're suppose when we use any kind of electronic device, be it our mobile, be it our laptop or any refrigerator, any kind of electronic devices, they they give radiations which is harmful for our skin. So it comes with blue light technology. So if you use it, it's going to prevent your skin from those radiations as well, along with the thing which sunscreen does, that is protecting your skin from the harmful radiations of sun. So it comes with SPF 60, which is so this is gonna protect your skin for a lot of time. This product has a very strong fragrance, so it might bother some of you. Otherwise, it's a very nice product. So this is the first product we have got. The next product which I received is this parachute cream oil. Now I have tried this product earlier and I definitely like it. So this is a product which contains both coconut oil and the basic oil. So what you have to do is that we usually use coconut oil or any kind of almond oil before shampooing. So instead of using that oil, if you use that oil which contains both coconut oil and natural oil, it's going to nourish your hair. So before shampooing, apply this, wash it off and then use your shampoo. This is a pre-wash nourishment. So I definitely very excited to try it again. The Organic Harvest sunscreen retails for 335 rupees and the Parachute hair cream oil retails for 50 rupees. Now let's see what is the next product. And the next product I can see is this jovees kajal. Now I had the option to select either this jovees kajal or eyeshadow by CAL. I chose this because I haven't tried this and jovees is organic brand, so I wanted to try this. So yeah, this is the kajal. I don't know how it works. I'm planning to use it first and then let you guys know how it works. I'll do a separate review video for this. And this one retails for 190 rupees. The next product which I see here is a sample product by P Safe. This is sweat pads. So I've got a pair of pads which I'm supposed to use it in the underarms. If you use this in your underarms, it's gonna absorb the bad odor and the sweat. Nowadays it's summer and we all sweat, so if you want to prevent your sweat to come in touch with the dress materials, then you can definitely use it. The last product, which is the star product of this month's box, is this Votre face serum. Votre is a very good brand. It's available in Sephora and Nykaa also. So this month's challenge is 1 month radiance. So if you are going to use this product regularly for 30 days, your skin is going to give a glow from inside. So this is a tiny bottle of 50 ml product, but this is enough for 1 month. It comes with a stopper. You need to take the stopper out and then put this on your face and massage it before going to sleep. So this is this month's star product, and I'm extremely excited to try this product myself. And this product retails for 1670 rupees for 15 ml. which is this one. So all the products this month are very exciting, and I'm too much excited to try these products out. So if you can see that the total the price of all the products together is much more higher than what you're paying for the box. So I think it's definitely highly recommended you to try different products from such beautiful brands. I think there's nothing better than that. So yeah, I really like this month's Glamego box, and if you want to buy or subscribe to Glamego, then I leave the link in the description. You can go and check their website out. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button. I will see you guys soon. Bye.